Ugh. Hey guys, it's Mitch. Welcome back. I noticed recently that YouTube has this new like sound effects feature that you can just download the different sound effects. There's a crap ton of these effects, and some of them are kind of obscure. There's like everything that you could possibly need and everything that you don't. Let me give you some examples. Yeah, let me just crush these cans while I'm doing this dramatic monologue. Listen, kid. I need you to focus. I need you to focus. I need you to focus, all right? There's gonna be a lot of dead people. A lot of people are gonna die today. But you know what? We're gonna go in there. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. And you know what? You're not gonna tell anyone. Do you know the fireworks that you light that like spin? It's a dud! Ah! I'm through being polite now, damn it! Take me down! Seriously, what the heck? Look, Mom, geese! Let's take them down. This is nice. It was a lot of fun to play with those sound effects, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, some of these sound effects are spot on, and some of them are kind of, kudos to the guys who put that list together. Like, seriously, how long did they spend in the basement doing that? I will see you guys next week. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bam! Shata, shata, ta-ta, Shazam. But anyways, I really hope that you guys have a great weekend and week, and I will see you guys next time. Love you! Bye!